these are religions, rituals, and sort of contexts in which we ourselves, the ego in its very early state, does not have to directly confront that which it may be scared of. Because if you think about it, the ego is very, it's relatively fragile. The ego, as we said, builds all these assumptions, right? And then basically goes into the world and has this rigid structure of assumptions that may always break down. They may not break down, but they may break down in the confrontation with something that is sort of objective, right? This objective core of the psyche. And this is why these religions and rituals function as a sort of retort. And I can show you this image here in this book. Functions as a sort of the retort of the alchemists. This, the function of these retort is essentially to give the ego a buffer, a buffer zone in which it doesn't have to submit itself to the trial and fire, let's say, but the collective protects it from its own dismemberment, let's say. Now, the problem is, and Jung highlights this especially in the sort of process of industrialization and secularization, the religious symbols have lost their numinosity. So there's sort of the impact, the possibility of being this retort.